Ready? Hold on. This one's for you, Meg. Dude, I just thought someone was behind me. Oh, this is so awkward. Everyone's parents are watching you.
No, Sam's like.
I'm taking a video.
I can't do it.
What is it?
That's washing your car.
You gotta like swish it.
Look at her hand.
Tongue out.
Maybe it's your iPod.
Why like this is doing
Key.
Superman ain't saving shit. Girl, you can feel
by your side, you know I'll take your
How do you do the booty?
Alright, here we go. Ready? Coming at your mouth with your blah blah blah. Zip your lips like a padlock. And meet me in the back with the jack and the jukebox.
I don't really care where you live at.
Just turn around, boy. Where you coming at? So be a little bitch with your chit chat. Just show me what you think.
I was the first person to know that song.
That's my favorite dance move, guys.
with this
Song so just.
Alright, you know, this isn't really my jam. Let me pick another one.
Oh my god, hold on to this.
I got a good one.
Ready? Watch this. I'm gonna do a free coffee grinder.
This is super long. Oh, Casey, there you go.
Alright, here we go.
He's gonna
Get
come
this
up
one
with-
caught. Get this one. This one's gonna be good. Let me get my hair out.
Oh, yes! You did the coffee grinder so good.
Let's go.